Seals are at the top of our ocean's food chain. They have very few natural enemies. Let's start with gray seals. Gray seals flourish in the Gulf of St. Lawrence and along the west coast of Newfoundland. Many summer off the south coast. Each adult eats up to 2 tons of prey every year. In 1960, there were an estimated 8,000 gray seals in Atlantic Canada. Today, it's estimated there are over 400,000, 50 times what it was 5 decades ago. Think about that. 400,000 gray seals can eat up to 800,000 tons of fish every year, and the number of gray seals continues to grow. To put this in perspective, in 2019, the entire Atlantic Canadian fishery landed 560,000 tons of seafood, a fraction of what gray seals now consume. But this catch fed millions of people and generated more than $3.2 billion in direct economic benefit for hundreds of thousands of people. Today, gray seals are directly responsible for the threatened extinction of Atlantic cod in the southern Gulf of St. Lawrence. But gray seals are only the tip of the iceberg. Let's talk about harp seals. We have the largest harp seal population in the world. The last estimate was approximately 7.6 million. That number is steadily rising. In 2008, the Department of Fisheries and Oceans estimated that harp seals were eating 4.2 million tons of prey. Out of this amount, harp seals ate 1.26 million tons of capelin. By comparison, in 1965, harp seals ate only 242,000 tons of capelin. And people wonder what's happening to the capelin. As for Atlantic cod, in 2008, harp seals ate an estimated 565,000 tons, compared to only 7,000 tons in 1965. Between 1992 and 2021, the entire commercial fishery in Newfoundland and Labrador landed just 507,000 tons of Atlantic cod. As with capelin, seals eat more in 1 year than the commercial fishery harvested in nearly 30 years. To call these numbers a concern would be the understatement of the century, especially for those whose livelihoods depend on a healthy and sustainable ocean environment. Because it's clear, the threat to our fishery is not the strictly managed commercial fishery. It's an uncontrolled seal population and a government that has put its head in the sand rather than deal with it.